Bacteria are ubiquitous, colonizing every possible niche on Earth, including extreme environments such as high temperature or acidic waters or arid soils. They are also intimately linked with animals and plants, with which they co-evolved to develop specific interactions. Every bacterial species can consequently be considered as a microfactory that can develop specific compounds for interactions with their host and with their environment. With the goal to take advantage of this almost unlimited variety of microfactories, bacteria are being increasingly mined for specific functions of interest. In this context, specific high-throughput tools are needed to select and sort specific bacterial groups of interest from samples. These tools must be compatible with bacterial viability, including for strictly anaerobic bacteria, since many gut microbiota species do not support oxygen exposure. To answer these needs, we developed a specific cell sorter that can be operated under controlled oxygen conditions to be able to analyze, sort and cultivate bacteria from their environment in the presence or absence of oxygen. Together with other pieces of equipment, this is part of what we call internally the Anoxic platform. Basically, we rely on technologies originally developed by Dr. Ger van den Eng in Seattle. It mainly consists to adapt the BD influx cell sorter by plugging a glove box on the sorting chamber. The box can be fed with nitrogen, thus depleting oxygen in the chamber. With this setup, we demonstrated that we are able to analyze, sort and cultivate bacteria, including strictly anaerobic bacteria, without significant impact on bacterial viability.
So here we are in front of our Anoxic cell sorter. Anoxic because of this glove box system where we can control the atmosphere to which the cells are exposed. So the cells come into this system with a tiny little sample tube that is branched into the system here, and it's pushed through this sample line to reach this structure here that we call nozzle, from which the cells are emanating in a very tiny, narrow liquid jet that is subsequently broken up in droplets carrying our cells. These cells, in the meantime, are characterized by the fluorescence they emit. This fluorescence is excited by lasers that we focus onto the stream using a system like that. Thereby they reveal their phenotype. If the phenotype is a phenotype that we're interested in, we can then decide to charge these little droplets to deviate them into a tube or into a plate.
We developed specific methods to target and sort bacteria from their complex ecosystems. For instance, we can divide the dot plot into sub-regions that can be analyzed separately, and then we are able to identify in which sub-region our target species is the most abundant. We can then focus on these specific regions to sort and cultivate bacteria in a variety of conditions to increase our chances to isolate and cultivate the bacteria. We call this approach targeted culturomics. Of course, other strategies, such as the use of specific antibodies, can also be used for the sorting of targeted species. As I mentioned earlier, there is an increasing interest of companies such as pharmaceutical companies or food companies to explore bacterial species for specific functions. Indeed, these potentially new functions could lead to the development of new drugs or new live biotherapeutics products. This function can potentially be encoded by strictly anaerobic bacteria. They can be strain-specific, thus necessitating the screening of large collections of strains to identify the best possible candidates for specific functions. Among other potential fields of interest, we can mention, for example, the search for specific strains for bioremediation of toxic compounds, or strains for biogas production, or even for plant growth promotion. In addition to microbiology, cell sorting in controlled atmosphere conditions can also be used for other applications. As a conclusion, we now have a flexible high-precision cell sorter that can be used for targeted culturomics or any other application that require limited oxygen exposure during the sorting.